Excellency, the President. Welcome, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, Abraham. Please, let's take our seats. Just for good record, my deputy was not scheduled to come to this meeting because by the time we put together this meeting, he didn't have the job he has. So I just ambushed him here and told him to remain behind for this meeting because it is an important meeting. And I must say, a good professor, that if there was an examination on your first assignment, I can say you have passed with very good colors. Because at the very least, you understand why we are here. There are many who would not understand why we are here. And in the past, I have tried. When such difficult subjects as the economy and taxes are being discussed, not many people want to participate because it's a very difficult subject. It's not very popular. And so populists don't like hard stuff. I'm very happy that you at least pick 4 items. That is very good. Distinguished taxpayers, ladies and gentlemen.